If your channel is stuck at 0, 10, or even 200 subscribers right now, then worry no more, because what I'm about to show you is exactly what most small YouTubers are doing wrong and why they never hit 1000 subscribers for so long. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact simple method that can take you from no views, no subscriber to your first 1000 subscriber without you having to post about 100 videos blindly. So if you're interested to getting your 1000 subscriber right now, let's dive into the main video. The first thing you need to understand before getting your 1000 subscriber is to make sure that YouTube actually understand what your channel is all about. What do I mean? Stop posting random videos. If you want to get your 1000 subscriber, you really need to stop posting random videos. Yes, this is where many small YouTubers get stuck. Today they are posting about motivation, tomorrow they are posting about AI, tomorrow they are posting about faceless channel, or they are posting trending videos, maybe trending topic that they see that are working or that are getting traffic on their channel. Yes, I know say you should not post trending videos or you should not post randomly. I know as a beginner on this YouTube, you are trying to figure out what will actually work for you. So that is why you are trying to post random videos. But my only advice I will give you is, if you know that kind of a thing that you know that you are comfortable doing, if you know that kind of a niche that you are comfortable, like anywhere you can comfortably do that niche. Let's say for example now you are good in YouTube growth or you are good in finance niche, focus on one particular type of niche, because that is actually what will help you to understand your video and push it to that right audience who are able to watch your video and also click that subscribe button. Because if you confuse the YouTube will confuse your algorithm, like the YouTube will confuse your audience, whereby if you post video they will randomly push it to anyhow audience, and that is what a lot of us don't want. So if you want to get your first 1000 subscriber, you need to stop posting random videos, because it's not going to help you. It's not when someone eventually click on that subscribe button, the person click on that subscribe button because the person loved that video and they are expecting more. Now when you now post another video, it will not be a different thing. Unfortunately, they might even hit that unsubscribe button and unsubscribe from your channel. So you don't need to post random videos. Okay? Now the second thing you need to do is to pick one clear topic. Yes, inside that your niche that you have chosen, you need to pick one clear topic. Now if you want 1000 subscribers fast, you need one focus. I mean, just one focus. Let's take for example now YouTube growth tips, making money online, fitness, transformation, phone addicting, tutorials. Within these 4 to 5 things that I just listed, just make sure you pick one. I mean, just one, because when YouTube understand your topics, understand the type of audience you are making this type of videos to, it starts recommending your videos to those right people. Yes, and that is when your growth will actually begins. You need to focus on one. That is why I say you should not stop posting random videos, because this second one that I just mentioned is also related to the first one which I just mentioned. So that will now take us to the third one. If you want to get your first 1000 subscribers, your first 10 videos matters more than you think. Yes, now let me tell you something most people on this YouTube or any YouTube gurus won't tell you. Your first to 10, 20 videos are not for views. Yes, I have seen a lot of people, they open channel, they post about 10 to 20 videos, hoping that those videos is going to get them a lot of views. That is capital no. That phase, you are using it to train the YouTube. Yes, you are trying to train your own algorithm. You are basically telling YouTube, this is my audience, so show my videos to them. Oh, this is the type of audience I want you to show my videos to. These are the people, these are the kind of people that I'm making this video for. So in that kind of a thing, do not overthink perfection. Don't think that you need to be perfect in your 10 to 20 videos. The thing is, just focus on the clarity and consistency and even the message. Yes, once you are consistent enough, you will actually get those people that will subscribe to your channel. And now here is where it gets interesting, because even if you do all these things that I just said, like all these things, starting a niche, picking a topic, there is still one mistake that can kill your growth. Even if your content is good, even if you optimize your video so well, any other creator should upload on their video and get views. Which will now take us to the fourth one, which is your title and your hook decides everything. Now, you click on this video because I told you that I'm going to show you how you are going to get your first 1,000 subscriber, right? Now, if your video doesn't grab that attention in the first 5 to 30 seconds, because on YouTube, when you go to your data analytics, you are going to be seeing this. They will tell you that your viewers are watching at around 0 to 30 seconds. And now, if those people live within that range of 30 seconds, YouTube will stop pushing your video, even though that video is the best video on this YouTube speed. And so instead of you doing all those, hey, welcome back to my channel, hey guys, today we are going to be talking this, we are going to be talking that, I know that you guys have missed me. Just head over to the point, because those people click on that video from what the title and the thumbnail said. So you need to say something that will catch them. Something like, this is why your YouTube channel is stuck, or this is why you are not getting subscribers, or if you are stuck at 1,000 subscribers, and all those catchy things that will make them to know why they are doing this wrong or what they can do. Okay, so once you fix your hook, your title, that's what makes people to stay and even subscribe to the channel and even see the message you have on that video. Okay, now that will now take us to the fifth one, which is consistency. Yes, consistency is the smartest way, because on this YouTube love consistency. Okay? Now listen to me. Consistency doesn't mean you posting every day, you posting every week, you not, posting every day, bombarding the YouTube already. It means showing up with that same type of value that you have been showing up before over time. Yes, it means you showing up even when you are having low views. 2 videos is a week, 3 videos, 1 video a week. That is if your content is focused. When I mean consistent, you need to also be consistent with that same type of content you have been uploading over time. Now, when you take a look at my channel, you can see that these are the type of content I upload on this channel. And when anybody visits my channel, the videos I post on my channel is going to tell them what the channel is all about, what this channel is all about. That person will understand that, oh, this particular channel is about YouTube growth and all of that. So do not give up too early, because maybe you are not seeing the views, you are not seeing the subscriber. Try to upload maybe 3 to 5 videos or 2 videos in a week. Do not quit, because YouTube doesn't reward quitting. It rewards people who stay long enough to be understood. Okay, so if you want to grow and hit your first 1,000 subscriber, grow your channel and get that monetization threshold, you need to try all these things that I've said and the ones you need to avoid. Okay, do not try to go viral. Yes, don't plan on going viral. Let your intention not be on going viral. Don't chase for the views, don't chase for the shortcut. Just do this. Pick one niche, stay consistent, make better videos every time. The better videos I mean is not you doing different type of video. Focus on that one thing that you have been doing on your channel. If it is cooking, focus on that cooking. If it is vlog, focus on it. And once you are doing it, you allow YouTube to figure out all these things, because once YouTube figure out the type of content you are doing, what you are doing on your channel, and the type of audience that this your content is meant for, your growth becomes easier than you think. Okay, I started focusing on this thing, and that is why I was able to hit my 1,000 subscribers. So if this video actually makes sense to you, you are already ahead of most beginners, because that is the reason why they are always struggling. And if you want how I actually get my first 1000 subscriber, check out this video here. I explained the real organic growth strategy that I was able to use to accumulate my 1000 subscriber. So go watch this video because it carries a lot of things. Right now this video is our 400 plus views and it has gotten me this amount of subscribers. So go and watch this video, and if this video actually help you, do it to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Make sure you turn on your bell notification because you will be seeing more of these tips often. And go try this strategy. I want you to reach your first 100 subscriber. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.